Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Masood here and welcome back to my channel Learn English with Masood. Student, today we are going to learn about 10 important questions of the end of the beginning. How does the play challenge the gender role? What is the significance of Daddy's mistakes and failure in the play? Do you think the play suggests that certain tasks are gender specific, or does it emphasize the importance of experience over gender? Now let's get started. Important questions of the end of the beginning. The first one is, in what ways does the play critique traditional gender role, especially concerning domestic work? The play shows how men often underestimate women's domestic services. Daddy believes housework is easy, but when he tries it, everything goes wrong. It proves that domestic tasks need skill and effort to perform. Question number 2. How might the play's theme be relevant to contemporary audience, or the issues raised still present in today's society? Yes, the play's themes are still relevant today. Many people still believe that some tasks are only for men or women. It promotes the equality of services. All work deserves respect and reverence. These issues still exist in today's world. Question number 3. Do you think the play suggests that certain tasks are gender specific, or does it emphasize the importance of experience over gender? Explain your answer. The play shows that experience matters more than gender. Daddy is a man but fails at work. His wife is skilled and manages everything well. So the play supports ability, not gender. Question number 4. How does Daddy's overconfidence serve as a lesson for the audience? Answer. Daddy is proud and thinks he can do anything. He takes over the housework with overconfidence, but he fails badly. This teaches the value of humility and kindness. Question number 5. Do you think the farcical and humorous elements of the play are effective in conveying a deeper message? Why or why not? Answer. Yes, the funny scenes had to show a deep message. Likely, the audience laughs, but also thinks profoundly. Comedy makes the lessons easy to understand. It softens serious topics. It teaches gently. The play makes fun of pride and work role in society. Question number 6. What is the irony in the title, The End of the Beginning? Answer. The title is ironic because although it sounds like something is ending, it actually marks the start of Daddy's awareness and personal growth. It signals a new understanding in their marriage. Question number 7. How does the play challenge gender roles? The play shows that housework is not easy or simple. When Daddy fails badly, it proves that women's daily work deserves respect and should not be underestimated by men. Question number 8. What is the significance of Daddy's mistakes and failures in the play? Daddy's failures teach our lessons to the audience. He learns that work needs effort. His mistakes show that he was wrong. This gives the play its significant message. Question number 9. Is this play considered to be a comedy? The play is a comedy because it uses humorous situations, misunderstandings, and exaggerations to entertain the audience, while still delivering a serious message about equality and mutual respect in the family. Question number 10. What task does Lizzie assign to Daddy before leaving the house? Before leaving the house, Lizzie tells Daddy to clean the house, wash the dishes, and keep things tidy. She challenges him to complete these duties to prove his claim that men are better suited to housework. So these are 10 important questions of the end of the beginning. If you still have any questions, you can put your question in the comment box and I'll upload another video for you. Thank you. You can also follow my WhatsApp channel. Yes, this is How Does the Play Challenges. 10 important questions of the end of the beginning. Thank you.